what's it called? Cool. I never threatened his life. Most I had was actually have a gun. But you over here telling me you have a gun, you gonna beat my ass, you're not gonna stop following me, and you still following me. But I don't know. Whatever.
To the point that right before the bridge, he tried to pass her and she pulled out a gun.
Okay.
Right before the bridge.
Where's she at?
She's in that car.
Road rage cases can spiral out of control in seconds. And that's exactly what makes this one so intense. What started with a simple horn quickly turned into allegations involving a firearm. But here's the real question. Whose version of the story will the evidence actually support?
It's too hot, that's her car. The signal 0 is supposed to be in there. So-called, this is the victim.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, come on, Stephanie.
Hi.
Hey, Stephanie. You have her ID or his ID?
I have her, both of them, actually.
Do me a favor and just turn around.
I'm going to jail?
Just turn around for now.
Okay.
Go to 110.
We're gonna go over here.
Both of your cars?
Yeah. I'll put it in mine. I'm gonna read you something, okay?
I believe in Jesus, baby. You gonna see.
I'm gonna read you something.
You gonna see?
Okay? Alright. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and won't be used against you in the court of law.
I had a stop sign. I took too long to turn. So he starts beep. I'm turning and he's still beeping. So I beep at him back. I guess that pissed him off. So he starts following he almost hit my car. He's still following me. So I ran a couple stop signs so he ran them with me. And then he's like, I look out the window. I was like, bitch, what you following me for? Stop following me. He's like, no, bitch, I live here. Dude, I'm gonna beat your ass. So cool. Run another stoplight side. He goes through the grass to get behind me because there was a car behind me. He goes through the grass to get behind me. And then when we're at a road like this, he gets on the other side and he starts window to window. He gets window to window and he starts talking shit, saying he's gonna beat my ass. So I was like, bitch, you gonna beat whose ass? You gonna shoot who, bitch? And I didn't point it at him, but it's like this. I didn't even put the window down. The window was not down. Then I keep going, and when I keep going, he doesn't stop. And then I stop right here because I see the firefighter station.
Did you want to press charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, so it's gonna be a road rage incident. It started at
And then he says, "Oh, I'm gonna blast you, bitch." So I get out of the bitch. Yo.
Where did it start?
Stop at the stop sign. I don't know. I would be lying if I tell you I know where.
So he's telling us that he's more familiar with there is by the VFW.
Saying because he lives here that he can follow, bitch.
Notice how every statement matters here. Investigators aren't just listening for dramatic details. They're comparing every claim for consistency. One contradiction can completely change how prosecutors view the entire case. Would you keep talking or stay silent after your Miranda rights?
Oh, bitch.
The VFW of Clay, I don't know if it turns into Randolph, I think.
he honked at her, like she's saying obnoxiously.
And you say you never showed him the gun?
No, I put it out in my car after he said he was gonna shoot me and beat my ass. After 10 minutes of following me, and he gets on the other lane and goes window to window threatening me again. I was like, you gonna shoot who, bitch? You gonna beat who? I didn't say I'm gonna shoot you. I never said that. He said that at least 2 times. And the 3rd time, I'm pretty sure you heard it. I don't know if you caught it. He said, I'm gonna blast your ass. What's it called? Cool. I never threatened his life. Most I had was actually have a gun. But you over here telling me you have a gun, you gonna beat my ass. You're not gonna stop following me, and you still following me. But I don't know. Whatever.
So he was in his car, so we're gonna have an ag assault. And her vehicle's here, the gun's here. She's already detained, so we're gonna unfortunately have to tow it and do a search warrant.
How you doing? Very good. So what's going on? I know you probably said it a couple of times.
She just went crazy on me because I beeped the horn because she was on the phone and the stop sign, nobody there. So I beeped the horn, she opened her window, went crazy. I went to pass her, she caught me in the lane. So I tried to pass her again. She accelerated, went both lanes like that, all crazy, dead stop. All my eyes and my coolers went over me. My whole car is wet because I had to stop in the tracks. So I went to pass by, she cut me and pulls out a gun. I'm gonna follow this woman. So I follow her. And she got out of the car, he saw the video, spit on me there, got up the car twice, fired the Marvin. You can ask them, she got up in the middle of the street when I got to me with her ass on the middle of the street. You know, I got 3 numbers. I'm not gonna be looking for troubles with nobody. I don't want you to be calling my company. You know what I mean? And I got the video. He saw it. She comes out and all that. The only thing I told him, look, she wasn't so nasty.
Now the investigation shifts from emotion to evidence. Witness statements are important, but physical evidence, video footage, and forensic findings often carry far more weight in court. This is where many high-profile cases take an unexpected turn.
It's so nasty. Walk by instead of throwing me kiss and doing that shit. Say sorry. I forget about it. But don't be so nasty. Now I do want to press charges.
The officers got a written statement from the man before searching the woman's vehicle for the gun.
Not the best writer of the word. But
You're good.
pretty sure you can understand. I was stop sign, beat my horn.
I was
Right.
stop sign.
Do you have any cameras or anything in your vehicle by any chance?
No, just
Just
the
your
one
phone.
I recorded
Okay.
when she got off.
That's
the car.
fine. Make sure you send them a link for that.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
I have your license. That's your phone number. Oh yeah. Oh, that's her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
31. And she had one in her head?
Yep. Nice little hollows.
The officers ran the gun's serial number, which turned up a surprise.
Can you run a signal 0 for me, please?
I'm finding one stolen out of Orange County.
Yikes.
Can you put that information?
Wait, a stolen firearm? That's the kind of discovery that instantly raises the stakes. Even if someone claims they didn't know, investigators will dig deep into how that weapon was obtained. Suddenly, this case just became much more complicated.
Can you put that information in the call, please?
How surprised would you be if I told you the gun was stolen?
There's no
Out of Orange County.
I knew. She's brand new. Did you see
Yeah,
the
yeah.
video?
No, I didn't see it yet. We're trying to get her a link.
Apparently she spits on him, and then
What,
she started
20, right?
dancing, like shaking her ass in front of us.
Yeah.
But that wouldn't be all that was in the car.
Oh, more stuff. He might have found more stuff.
Just gets worse and worse. Just gets worse and worse. While doing the inventory.
Oh, that is a lot.
That's definitely more each one.
Holy shit.
But
Problem is, okay.
because it's an inventory surge, we didn't really have probable cause for that. Take it in Detroit? Or see if the county wants it?
Oh, yeah, call that.
Did y'all see her getting out of the vehicle by any chance?
Yeah.
So the gun's stolen, and she has
Knew it.
a shit ton of weed.
Yeah. I knew. I asked her about the gun. That's why I didn't touch anything, man.
Yeah.
Because before, like, usually what we would do is do a search warrant on the car.
Yeah.
So, but I asked her, like, when we were sitting there, I was like, yo, that gun, what's up with it? Where'd you get it from? Oh, my cousin. I'm like, are you sure it's not stolen? Because it's a Taurus, so those are like
To go to.
every other, right?
A couple minutes later, the officers asked the woman about the gun.
You got a lot going on. So, you still under Miranda rights, right? That you read earlier. What's up with the gun? What's up with the gun that you had?
It's my gun.
It's your gun? How'd you get it?
I bought it for my cousin.
You bought it from your cousin?
Because he was gonna put it in the pawn shop because he was getting a new one. So I was like, just sell it to me instead of a pawn shop. Because that way, I'll give him more and I'll get it for less. You know?
When'd you buy it?
This interview is fascinating because officers are testing the suspect's story piece by piece. Every answer can either support her defense or create new problems. Once evidence starts contradicting your explanation, the legal consequences can escalate very quickly.
Buy it.
Like a minute, like 8 months. And I've never shot it yet.
Do you know how he acquired that gun?
I think it's his. But he said it's clean, like he never used it. He just has guns.
So it's not.
It is clean. What do you mean?
It's a stolen gun.
What do you mean it's stolen?
So wherever that was from a prior, you bought a stolen gun. So, on that note, What's up with?
So I'm going to jail?
Well, you're
Am I
going
going
for
to jail?
You're going for this
for
incident.
the other stuff.
But
For the gun?
not for the gun. For the for this stuff.
So I'm going to jail for this?
Yeah.
So aggravated assault?
Yep.
So I'm going to jail.
So another question. What's up with the weed?
I smoke weed.
You have a card?
No.
Here's the biggest twist. An arrest doesn't always guarantee a conviction. After reviewing the evidence, prosecutors can reduce or even dismiss charges if they believe the case can't be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. It's a powerful reminder that investigations don't end with handcuffs.